All right. Welcome to the Chop It Up Kitchen where we're chopping up food and conversation. That's right, Dr. Sebi style. Give me a minute, and as always, we about to get up in it. Welcome back to the show. Thank you for joining me again on the Chop It Up Kitchen. Today we will be preparing for you a classic. I came across this recipe trying to figure out a way. How can I still have some of the things that I used to eat, but Dr. Sebi style? So I experimented and I came up with a cabbage substitute, but it tastes just like cabbage using fennel bulbs. That's right, fennel bulbs, using it as a cabbage substitute. Tastes so much the same, you won't even know the difference. So today we're gonna be preparing for you a mock cabbage, Dr. Sebi style, using fennel bulbs.
Half teaspoon of crushed red peppers. Half a cup of bell peppers. 2 cups of butternut squash. Teaspoon of smoked sea salt. Teaspoon of basil. Teaspoon of onion powder. Half cup of onions. 1 to 2 fennel bulbs. And there you have it. Your ingredients.
What I like about this recipe, you can use fennel bulb and butternut squash to kind of mimic the cabbage flavor. For some reason, when I experimented with this, it had the same similar flavor as the cabbage in completeness when you combine these two individual vegetables together. So that's what I did. I used the sweetness of the butternut squash and then the texture of the fennel bulb, and that's how I reproduced that flavor. So what we're doing is, like I say, we're just grinding it up on the shredder, and we're gonna combine these two together, and we're gonna have us some mock cabbage, baby. Dr. Sebi style, just like my grandma would say, baby. That's my boy. That's my boy. You gotta have fun, man. Under these trying times, you gotta try to keep your head up and invest your time wisely into doing things that are enriching your life and your health. Like I say, once again, your health is your wealth. If you can't do anything, you know, your health is what fuels you being able to do some of the things you like to do. So health is priority. So we got this all shredded up. This is kind of how you want it. You want it shredded kind of like this. You know, we're going to go ahead and get that mixed up.
All right, we're going to coat that pot up with some grapeseed oil, about a half a teaspoon. Saute these vegetables for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium-high heat. After we saute these vegetables, we're going to go ahead and add 3 to 4 cups of water, spring water that is, and smother these old cabbage just like grandma would do, baby. And add the seasonings. Don't forget the seasonings. Always the taste, baby. But what I gave you, like I say in all my videos, just a guideline. Twerk it and tweak it and get it the way you want them, baby. Smother them old cabbages, what we gonna do, and come on back for the taste test.
All right, it's the taste test. The taste test. Woo-wee. Okay, we finna take these mock cabbage, Dr. Sebi style. Oh man, that's it. As always, like, share, and subscribe, and I catch you on the flip side. Your health is your wealth.